Okay, this is my latest eBay purchase. This should be a hammer. Wow. Wow, that is quite impressed with that so far, and we've only just got it out of the packet. See if we can get this ring off. Oh, it's broken. Never mind. It's come off. Anyway, the hammer. Basically, it is a 20-ounce claw hammer, a Silverline fibreglass claw hammer. So it's got a fibreglass handle, and that feels really like the hammer does, and it's like the actual handle does. And all the weight's on top, and it's a 20-ounce one, so it's got a bit of weight to it. It's got a nice grip to it. I wouldn't say it's the best grip, but it has got a grip to it. Yeah. This hammer cost me £5.38 delivered. £5.38 delivered. And believe it or not, this hammer has a lifetime warranty. If you go on the website and register that you've purchased it, you get a lifetime warranty with all hand tools from Silverline. £5, what was it, 38 was it? Something like that. Delivered to your door. You know, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. It's got a few, I'd call it probably delivery marks on it, but overall, it's going to do the job. So, you know, to hit a frigging nail in or whatever, it's pretty good. So, yeah. You know, you can buy a Stanley one or whatever, I don't know what they are these days, and they're like 20 quid. And this is like £5.38. eBay purchase, delivered to your door. So it's fiberglass handle, so if you look at look for yourself, the fiberglass handle ones, I mean they do go for, some of them go for silly money, but £5.38 delivered to your door. That, to me, is a bargain. If it helps you, it helps you.